Good morning, everybody. Trip and Sister here. And there's... Uh-oh.
Is I, the striking Viking.
So we got a little bit of an update for you as far as our urban farm, as I've been told it is, goes. We lost a chicken. We had to put it down, which was really hard. I'll let Mr. Viking give you those details because I might cry. I don't want to cry. It was my biggest chicken. But he's laughing. It ain't funny. My heart was broken. Anyway, so I'll let him explain to you what's going on right now.
Yes, a sad case. One of our chickens got ill and she had to be put down. It's a tragedy when you lose one of your flock, particularly when you're so enamored of them and they of you. So Darla, dear Darla, has gone to chicken heaven, where I'm sure there are lots of bugs and fresh greens to eat.
Sorry about the drilling sound, you guys. It's our neighbors trying to fix their roof. We had some high winds and it blew part of their roof off. So anyhow, you'll have to speak up, I guess.
I'll have to speak up, I guess. One of the things that we were concerned about was the chickens getting plenty of water during the heat, because it had been 90 degrees for the last couple of days. And although it's cooler today and expected to be cooler for the remainder of the week, we are entering into the warm season. And as you know, if you know, that Oklahoma can get easily well up over 100 degrees, we want to make sure those chickens are well hydrated. So what to do about that, you ask? Well, I did a little bit of research on the interwebs, and what I came up with was a not unique, but chicken watering system to keep our little girls happy. And this system consists of one orange igloo cooler, one 90-degree PVC pipe elbow with push barb fitting, one piece of 2-foot-long PVC pipe, and a piece of hose, and 4 nipples drilled into the pipe, which I can see are dripping even now, which is a problem. It's a problem. Well,
just that one.
In any case, so the chickens can come along and they can get water at will, and they seem to enjoy it quite a lot. And not only that, but there's 5 gallons of nice cool water fresh from the hose for them. So this is our chicken watering system, and it's working out pretty well. When I assembled it yesterday and had it fully assembled and placed in order, they came along and they were guzzling it by the gallon. Well, maybe not by the gallon, but they were certainly going after it in a major way. They like that cool water. So we want to keep them happy, just like we want to keep you happy. So recommend us to your friends, family, and others. Post us on your social media. Invite your friends to come along on the journey. And in the interim, the most important thing to remember is...
keep tripping.
Keep tripping.